In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add knowledge in Manus AI in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by walking through the steps one by one to ensure you're set up for success. First, you'll need to log into Manus. If you haven't already, open your browser and navigate to the Manus website. Once there, simply enter your credentials. Remember, if you've forgotten your password, most platforms offer a recovery option to reset it. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Next, make your way over to the knowledge section within the Manus AI platform. You can usually find this in the main menu or sidebar. The knowledge section is where all the magic happens. It's the brain of your AI, where you feed it everything it needs to know to function at its best. Once you're in the knowledge section, look for a button labeled Add. Clicking this will bring up a new interface where you'll be entering all the exciting details about the new piece of knowledge you want to add. Now, it's time to fill in the required fields. The first thing you'll need is a name for your knowledge entry. A clear and concise title helps you and others easily identify what this piece of knowledge is all about. Think of it like naming a folder on your computer. Simple, yet descriptive. After naming your knowledge entry, specify the conditions or situations in which this knowledge should be applied. This is important because it guides the AI on when to utilize this particular piece of information. It's like setting the context for where and when to use a specific tool in your toolkit. Next, you'll need to provide instructions. Here is where you outline the basic steps or protocols you want the AI to follow. Effective instructions are crucial because they determine how well the AI will perform the task. It's much like giving a recipe to a cook. The clearer and more detailed it is, the better the outcome. Finally, once you've filled out all these fields, take a moment to review what you've entered. Verification is always a good practice to ensure everything is accurate and complete. When you're satisfied, click Add to save your new piece of knowledge. And there you have it. You've successfully added a piece of knowledge to Manus AI in just a few simple steps. Remember, the more relevant and detailed the information you provide, the more effectively your AI will perform. That wraps up our quick tutorial for today. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out and continue exploring the capabilities of Manus AI. Thanks for joining and happy innovating.